Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sujit. Tini yang paisok pajak agi yang kori samani kesam memories ba serai pruni memories rock. Tang malay among ka kaisa ang khasiwi tori lokri thaiman jaga amo special place ni mano ani school Don Bosco Bishramganj. Don Bosco Bishramganj Convent Pathaliaghat. Tapi ini bisa samung dongnya visit kanya family. So naik dong di, ngangkai yang mau ngangkat to. Ziarah polisan ada lokasi sama ngangkat orang menjadi change kan. Halo. Ketemu mas hari ini kau malam mana hari bondo. Kelas ini untuk kampung kamu kayak. Dodo. Malahnya. All the best.
Thank you.
Yang ke Auxilium. Kang sana. Nang convent apa aja Ani school from na hinang na once from St. Xavier High Secondary School. Don Bosco Pathaliaghat. From na hai tongmani na tini hap mangalaka tam malay recruitment exam choli jongo. So allowed kere bising hapnani so amon bagi yang convent Pathaliaghat sister ihun malanya ni ani vice principal lagi tongmani boy malanya ni bagi nai jong thang lai jongo Auxilium bong kantai sini school ni designer graphics designing khanya rok joton khayugo so sungbo ikoron ke visit khanya sister no surprise bhagera na Gangkai tabubong gangkai school di kita thang malalia and bo thang malai recruitment exam soli jongman bagai nakasano nang malia so tabu convent hap kana girls hostel Auxilium Convent gangkai Brirone hostel so logi tong di yes sister Rihung must be here This is Sister Yon is here. You can see Sister Yon is here.
You surprised me.
Hello. Good morning, Father. Belain tong toka sister bemalai de sister belain tong tokza kasang no guinai bin expression no bo semana ngang kai tabung no bo sungno coffee tea do tam nana hini ang coffee prefer thaini coffee nang peke ngang kai tabu go patra kisa painai no view sunong nai family agi oro je tong thanai rok ba hostel tong thanai rok boro noi bagai ngai belain boro bo video no go belain old memories of phaijagan hani angka kayo ngangkai omong ngangkai na rosemuna Auxilium Convent ngangkai yang next wall ni yang narok ngangkai nukana omong ngangkai St. Xavier Secondary School Don Bosco Pathaliaghat tinit lang nak mantlang malia nakar sano ngangkai next time mo sure funong nai night only yeah sister So nice meeting with Sister Ihon.
Thank you
Thank
you so much, Sir Sujit and Oshim for your friendly and brotherly visit. I'm extremely happy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Oshim. Love you all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye. Yeah, your sister. That's fine. In case if you need any help,
Oh, every Saturday. Okay,
you give me a
bye-bye.
call. Okay, bye bye, sister. It's okay.
Still there.
No, it's okay, sister. We will move. Sister, so not drop kind of oh, ini gate zara.
Night hop.
Right up. Yes.
Auxilium Bishramganj Balai night hop.
Yeah. New experience, a new place. Ah. Yes, yes. Sister, you know the same thing.
But so beautiful, yes. Beautiful
Friends,
place. Beautiful place, beautiful people, and beautiful brothers.
Yeah, bell. Ah, this so many years. This when we were small, also this tree is
It's
there.
still there, no?
Yeah. See, now still existing.
This building also you have worked very hard,
Yeah.
right?
We were getting concrete and other things. Huh? It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so sister. Yeah, thank you.
Most welcome next time. Please, you give me a call and we can give you Hana also.
Yeah, sure.
Oshim, thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye, sister. Yeah, all the best.
I feel
Yeah.
so great today because you came to visit us.
Thank
Okay?
you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye.
Sister Rihun belanya tongtroza seng kedeman kore paini mara keman ko transfer man kore yang pas visit kedeman ko no surprise visit man keneng surprise yang zaman ni belai ka tongtroza sono gate jora drop kai pe ke so to sindano foto yang puila tini pe mani kono lamar ko ngi ga kana bye malam ni so belaina hambai jatunono ani video no nai teman bagai de ani channel lokal ngake please subscribe kan tapok di de like share comment kan ya bota tapok di jatunono hambai malanya next video